Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make jalapenos at home using an easy method. First, gather your fresh jalapenos, white vinegar, water, and pickling salt. You will also need clean jars and lids. This process is straightforward and yields delicious results. Let's get started by preparing our ingredients for the pickling process. To begin, choose about 1 pound of fresh, firm jalapenos. Wash them thoroughly. For the brine, combine 2 cups of white vinegar with 2 cups of water and 2 tablespoons of pickling salt in a saucepan. You can also add a few garlic cloves or a half teaspoon of peppercorns for extra flavor. Make sure your jars are sterilized and ready. Carefully slice your jalapenos into 1/4 inch rounds or lengthwise if you prefer strips. Pack these slices tightly into your clean jars, leaving about 1/2 inch of headspace. Bring your brine solution to a boil, ensuring the salt is completely dissolved. Then, carefully pour the hot brine over the jalapenos, covering them completely. Once the jars are filled, secure the lids tightly. Let the jars cool completely to room temperature on your counter. After cooling, transfer them to the refrigerator. For the best flavor, allow them to chill for at least 24 hours before enjoying. These homemade pickled jalapenos will stay fresh in your refrigerator for several weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.